welcome to everyone. We, the team Super Kings, are here to represent our idea and solution for the Smart India Hackathon for the problem statement fake social media profile detection and reporting, which is proposed by Government of Gujarat. So, first of all, I would like to explain the problem statement title. So, first of all, we will see what is a fake profile. Fake profile is a representation of a person, organization, or a company that does not truly exist on social media. Often, these accounts use name and identities that not only look real but are designed to get closer access to specific people or a targeted audience. It can be used by e-commerce website to follow the trend of the product. So the next question arises is how we will go to the solution for this problem statement. So while observing a social media profile, you may have observed that there are some properties of a fake profile that such as it has very few friends. The pictures they use are altered version of images stolen from actual images or organizations. These profiles are generally used to deceive, gain access, and exploit the data. So next question, that who uses the fake profile? So it can be used by any company, government agencies, hackers, and online criminals. All you need is a fake email, fake mobile number, and some images to create a fake social media profile. Now moving towards our idea. So our idea is to propose a fake social media profile detection system which can detect the fake profiles on a social media platform, which are a popular tool for the intruders, which can be used to carry malicious activities such as impersonation attacks. So the approach to our solution will be, so in various approaches, this problem is being solved by DFA, which has an accuracy of 89.73%, EMD, which is only useful for discrete datasets but not for continuous datasets, and machine learning approach, which is solved by two ways, that is SVM and neo based. So in support vector machine, the accuracy was nearly about 94%, but it has an error rate of 0.126, and in neo based the accuracy was near about 96%, but it also has an error rate of 0.093. However, we are using the deep learning and AI approach, in which artificial neural network is used to identify fake profile interventions. The predominant parameters such as less account age, absence of accounts description, location ID not provided, location not specified, not often active, and having low number of followers that affect the fake profile intervention. A web plugin, browser plugin is designed that determines whether a social media profile is fake or authentic. Now talking about the architecture design in data extraction, the next step is data preprocessing. The data we are using for this fake social media profile detection is an data which is taken up from the GitHub, which contains near about 3500 lines of fake users and 3500 lines of real users. The next step is the data will be going to artificial neural network, where it will be studied and predict the test case. Now accuracy will be evaluated, and at the end step the user will get to see the results. Now talking about the tech stack, we are writing the code in Python. The framework we are using is Django. We are using TensorFlow. It is an AI library which is used to build a model for ANN, and for data storage we will be using MongoDB. So talking about the use cases, users can trust that profiles displaying a verified badge are genuine, leading to more meaningful interactions. Advertisers can get greater confidence in the authenticity of their target audience, reducing wasted ad spend. Users can report abusive or impersonating profiles more easily, leading to swifter actions by platform moderators. So talking about the explicit features of our project, so our project will allow users to report suspicious or fake profiles easily. It will display a verified badge prominently on verified profiles to increase user trust. It will be implementing automated algorithms to review reported profiles for suspicious activity. It will allow trusted and verified users to participate in community moderations, and it will also provide educational materials and tutorials on identifying fake profiles and responsible reporting. Now talking about the project dependencies, so we will be using pandas, numpy, matlab, scikit-learn, tensorflow, keras as our project dependencies. So talking about the pandas is an open source library in Python. It provides study to use high performance data structures, and data analysis. Talking about the numpy, it is used for advanced mathematical operations and other type of operations, or to handle a large number of data. Talking about the MATLAB, it provides an integration between two or more languages, so that more than one person can work on a project. Talking about scikit-learn, it is used for classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. And talking about keras, so keras provides a Python interface for artificial neural networks, and it also acts as interface for TensorFlow library. And TensorFlow is an AI library which is used to create a model. And talking about datasets, as we earlier discussed, that it is about 3,500 lines of fake users and 3,500 lines of real users. So talking about our team members, our team consists of Chaudhary Ashay, Pawar Vedant, Rajput Gaurav, Patil Rohit, Gaurav Ayurrao, Marathi Jayashree, and our mentor name is Miss SP Sadonke. She has an expertise of 13 years in machine learning. Thank you. That was all from our side.